Good morning. Today we're out on farm setting off a farmer with variable rate nitrogen again. The tractor in question this time is a Massey Ferguson with a Fieldstar 5 terminal from Agco. The format for this is ISO XML files on a USB stick and into the side of the terminal in a TASKDATA folder. Now what do I mean by that is that this is the laptop screen, and I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of how to ensure that the file structure and format on the USB is correct. This is my USB, and in there I have, this is classed as a subfolder. I've named that in capital letters as TASKDATA. If I double click on that, in here are the files that I've exported from our platform in ISO XML format. So you'll see that they just say GRD bin 1, 2 to 8, or however many fields you may have, and you have the TASKDATA down at the bottom. If you just copy and paste those out of the zip folder when you download it out of our platform into the folder on the USB stick, they are good to go and ready to be installed into the side of the terminal. So now that we're in our tractor, I need to input the USB stick into the side of the terminal down on the left hand side. The terminal will recognize the USB stick, so we click on OK. Once we've clicked on OK, what we're looking to find is these 3 dashes at the top of the right hand corner. Tap on those and your options will be to find the file. In here, what we're looking to then look for is this USB icon down the right hand side. Tap on that and you can see what's on our USB stick. We need to tap on the icon and then drag that across to our screen. So by dragging that task across, you'll see that it's wait till the end of the task import complete. That's the files now residing on the terminal. So we come back out of the screen, and in our drop down box here we have our plans. Now we select our plan based on the field that we want to apply. Click on the plan, click OK. That opens up the task control, which you can see is on. In here, what we want to do is press record and click start. So that will then in turn, when I move over to our ISOBUS terminal for the spreader, you'll see that you've got this zigzag next to your kilograms per hectare. That's saying that it's pulling the rate from the task control and from the application map that we've input onto the terminal. So if we were to go into the field now, the variable rate application map will actually vary the rate as we're going across the field. To see the variation that the map is bringing in, we need to be in the map screen. So if we tap on the 3 lines, choose our GPS map screen. In here, what you can see at the moment is just an area of the boundary that we're currently on. So what I need to do is to take you to this settings tab. So down the right hand side you'll see that I had some extra settings a minute ago. If I tap on the cog and then on the 3 tiles, that will take me into my layers. Now I can have color data that'll color in where I've been, but if I choose the fertilizer spreader, that should bring through the variation on the plan and also a legend with the rates that we have residing within that. So there we have it. We've got ISO XML files uploaded into this Massey Ferguson tractor utilising the Fieldstar terminal. The variation has been dragged through from the map so that we can see that on the GPS screen, and the ISOBUS terminal has the variable rate marker next to the kilos per hectare. So all in all, a successful visit, and on to the next box.